Welcome to the new video. Today we will continue again with geometric tolerances and take a closer look at the so-called shape tolerances. The geometric tolerance applied to the shape element defines the tolerance zone as an area which is a surface or space in which all points of the considered shape element must lie. You can see the types of shape tolerances in this table. Let's start with the straightness tolerance. Straightness tolerance is the largest straightness deviation, which is determined by the distance between two parallel planes, and also the space enclosed by a cylinder or a rectangular parallel pipe. Individual cases are shown in this picture. The next one is flatness tolerance. It is the biggest flatness deviation, which is determined by the distance between two planes. Roundness tolerance is the largest roundness deviation, which is determined by the distance between two concentric circles. Cylindrical tolerance is the largest deviation of cylindricity, which is determined by the distance between two coaxial cylinders. The profile shape tolerance of any line is the largest deviation of the given profile, which is determined by the distance between two lines. The last of the shape tolerances is the shape tolerance of the profile of any surface, and it is the largest deviation of the given surface, which is determined by the distance between two surfaces. So much for today's video. In the next video we will look at the orientation tolerances. I wish you a nice day and see you in the next time. Bye.